kick it off the right way with my baby. You know I'm always out here repping for the camo wraps. You know I'm out here repping for the Charlies, and I'm always definitely repping for the Charlie gang. Like I said, we Sight, but this what Sight looks like for us. We don't care about the car, man. People have accidents. We don't care about none of that, man. You're part of the gang. You stamped up, you one of us. You can pop out anytime, don't matter. We still look good and do our thing. Yes, sir.
Maybach music.
Man, they didn't come to play today. We keep these cars put up all winter. You know what that means. When it get hot outside, it's not even hot. It's like 65 degrees right now. It's kind of cold, but for Chicago, this is it weather. We outside. We doing it. We showing off our cars. We don't pay all this money into them for nothing. We don't pay all this money into them for nothing.
They can learn civic responsibility and get engaged. The thing is, I'm an accountant. I spent 10 years in corporate America, and I want to keep those fees low. I want to make sure we're giving senior discounts. But the main
how y'all doing now?
All right now. The main thing about government is, do you have access? And do your leadership have access? Your mayor, Rudez, will have access to me. Anytime he called me, I will pick up that phone and return a phone call to help his constituents. So I want to thank the mayor for making sure that I got out here to say something, and I'd love to earn your vote on June 28th. Live the dream and punch 15. Thank you so much, because Illinois does not deserve anything less. Illinois deserves more. David Moore for Secretary of State. Thank you.
Talk about well said. Yeah. And don't forget, while you're here, if you want a little something fancy to take home with you for your fancy ride, make sure you check out the green awning to my left, your right, and get yourself a balloon raffle. $5 balloon raffle, bust a balloon and win the prize inside. And make sure you patronize the vendors here as well, because they're out here with you. Let's kick you with them as well. Let me keep this music going. DJ Lil Jon, Soul 106.3, that's me. Primetime Radio, Monday through Friday, 3 to 7 p.m., 106.3 FM. Don't y'all tell Jim Gags I borrowed some records.
It wouldn't be the old school without the fuzzy dice. It wouldn't be the old school without the fuzzy dice. I feel like all the vets should have rolled in together like all the Charlies did. You know he gonna talk to somebody about what he got going on. Ooh. That thing quiet there. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Ooh. Shout out Vertical Doors. to the circle thing. I mean, these cars look. You know what I'm saying? I'm used to these joints. Them circle things, I don't know what they got going on, but these joints. Whew. That SRT power, that SRT on that supercharged, you hear me? Cat, 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 cat. Maybe that's it looked like a air filter. Maybe like the cold air. No. Maybe it's like a huge air filter. Somebody help me out. Like I said, y'all see my car, it's wrapped up. It got the lights going and stuff like that, but I don't know too much about everything going on under the hood. Let me know what y'all know. How y'all doing, brother? All right. We're running it up today. We're about to run the subscribers up today. You got this old Optima over here. You need to fuck with the X2 power. X2 power. I got some subscribers, y'all. They lurking. They said they was gonna come fuck with me. We about to see. We stalking. Hey, we stalking. Y'all ain't stopped at my car?
Which one?
Come on, we over here, bro.
You
Come
got
on.
3 of them. Or is y'all all Charlie Gang? Because there's one right here.
So,
It's one right
Charlie
there.
Gang is the name of the club.
Okay.
I'm the VP, the vice president.
So which one yours?
Oh, yeah. I ain't gonna post it. I can edit it
Which
out.
one yours? Oh, you.
Come on, we going down here. You can say whatever.
No, I can't.
Yeah, you can. I swear you
What happened to
can.
this one right here, though?
Which one? I don't know. I think it's in the...
He was in the car.
I think so. I have no
Y'all in
comment.
the same game.
Exactly.
He just want to show his car.
This is my baby right here. Come on. Tell me it ain't cold.
What inspired you to get young Dolphin? Inspired you to do that?
You know what? I always just wanted like a camo wrap ever since I seen my first one. Yeah, we got Lady Charlie Gang members. Oh, we pulling up. Let's go, gang. We got 100 challengers strong, G. All challengers, nothing else. Niggas beg us to join our shit with the Durangos. Chicago.
This I just said. That's
Southside, we be on like 80-something Dan Ryan. That's where like in the middle of us and shit. Hell yeah. This is my president Trey right here. That's his white joint over there. Yeah. Let me get a subscribe. Come on, from all of y'all, please. One. Come on, put them phones out.
You need
Yeah.
to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
I'm gonna subscribe back. Subscribe. I swear.
Nah, I ain't no